get everything you need. Get going here. Got the case, soft case, with 2 big pockets. Capo, cloth, owner's manual, 2 extra pegs there, amp cable, tuner, strap, extra strings, some sandpaper. Everything comes ready to go. You just have to tune it. Strings are a little loose. It's a good thing though, and just tune it up and you're off. This acoustic electric, it plays really well. It's just a great deal for everything you get. Built-in tuner, also comes with all the stuff that I just shown. I put the pick guard on, you don't have to, it comes separate. It sticks right on, or you can use your own. The black matte finish is really nice. Really no defects in the paint at all. Just looks really good from the factory. And it's a really easy guitar to play, definitely for like a beginner, to someone that has a little experience as well. Strings are really light and easy to finger. So definitely something you want to consider if you're trying to get off just regular acoustic. You want to get a little electric in there, get yourself an amp, plug in, and see how it sounds.